In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily make a charity run t-shirt for your team or for yourself. So first thing we do is we go to PLaceit.net and we go to the left-hand side menu bar where it says Design Templates, and we slide down to where it says T-shirt Design Templates. Next, we find the charity run template here. So we have that here, the race fundraiser template. We also have one for breast cancer awareness, so they have different graphics for these. I'm going to use the race fundraiser template one. Right, and we can very easily start to edit this. So on the left-hand side, we have all our different text options. I'm going to go ahead and edit this line of text to say race 4, and you can see that it's going to automatically update the preview here, so we can see what our final design is going to look like. Below the line of text, you can click on the button to edit the font, and you can edit this as many times as you want, so you don't have to worry about messing up. If you don't like the way it looks, just go ahead and change it. Super easy. Right, I'm going to go ahead and change it back. And next to the font button, you also have the text color button. So you just click on it. You can pick any one of these presets that we have, or you can click on more to be really specific with your color. You can just click and drag around here, or use this little slider to change the color. And if you happen to have a specific hex code that you want to use, you can just input that here and click on choose. I'm going to go ahead and change it back to white for this case. I'm going to edit the second line of text. Right, to say Race for the Cure, and I'm going to change the font as well. So as I mentioned, it's super easy. All right, and I'm going to change it from Toronto 2018 to say California 2018. All right, cool. Now we move on to the right-hand side where we can edit the graphics. So we have a ton of different graphics that we can use. I'm going to go ahead and choose one here of this guy running with some speed lines behind him. And I'm going to change the color as well, from a blue to this nice light purple, almost like a violet. Next, we change the background color. I'm going to go ahead and choose a dark purple color to get some nice contrast. There we go. You can also choose one of these patterns that we have here, even some photos, or you can also even upload your own custom image. So those are the different options that you have. Next, we go to the top section here where we have our dimensions button, and we change it to t-shirt. Just going to set it for a t-shirt design. One thing I would like to mention is if you plan on printing this on a t-shirt that's, for example, in this case, this nice dark purple, if your t-shirt isn't this color, when you download your finished t-shirt design, it's going to be this, your design is going to be in this purple box. And so when you printed, let's say your t-shirt is white or it's black or another color, or it's a different shade of purple, you're going to see your design inside of the box. So you might not want that. And one way you can get around that is to simply go to where it says background. And instead of choosing any color, you just click on this little gray and white checkered box. And what that does is it makes the background transparent. So you're only going to get the actual design and not a background color. And that's great because you can actually then print your design on a t-shirt of any color, and you're only going to have the design all nice and cut out on the design. On the t-shirt, so it's not going to look like your design is in a box. It's going to fit perfectly on any color t-shirt. So just a tip to keep in mind if you plan on printing this on a color that's not one of these colors. All right, and once you're ready, you simply go to the big blue download button, you click on that, and click on purchase, and you follow those steps. So that's how easy it is to make a charity run t-shirt for yourself or for your team, which is great for a group of friends from school, co-workers, church members, if you have any sort of like a choir team or a band, any kind of group of people like that might be interested in getting together for a good cause. One great way to rally them around that cause is to create custom t-shirts for that team, and maybe even customize them so you are running in support of maybe a loved one, maybe a friend, someone that's close to you, or someone of that group that has been affected by that illness or by that by that situation. So that's how easy it is to make a charity run t-shirt using PLaceit.